Math Prodigy, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into assessment paper number 5 on circles, and we're going to move it through very fast like last week. So please have your assessment paper next to you. Alright, so let's go to the very first question where there are 5 rapid fire questions. So let's take a look at it right now. The first one says, what is the circumference of a semicircle with a radius of 6 cm, pi as 3.14? So a circumference, what is the formula? It's 2 pi r or pi d. What about a semicircle? A semicircle is half of a circle, which means that you have to divide the answer by 2. So let's do this for A. For A, circumference of a semicircle is 2 pi r divided by 2, which means that you cancel the 2. Okay, if you're using pi d, then it's pi d over 2. So in this case, pi r is equal to 3.14 times radius is 6. And as you will get is, what you will get is 3.14 times 6, which gives you the answer of 18.84. If you got that right, high five, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. So in the next part B, let's take a look at part B, okay? Part B says the area of a quadrant is 28.26 cm squared. Find the radius of the quadrant. Now, what is a quadrant? A quadrant is actually a quarter of a circle. That's why it's called a quadrant. Okay, quarter of a circle. The area is 28.26 cm squared. Find the radius of the quadrant. Now, I'm going to do my way of doing it, and I'm going to show you how some of your other kids who are your age are doing it. Okay, so let me just do this. The area of a quadrant is actually equals to what? Pi r squared divided by 4, correct? So the area is given as 28.26, am I right? 28.26, yes. 28.26 is equals to, what's your pi? 3.14. What's your radius? Oops. What's your radius? You don't know, that's what they want you to find. Therefore, divided by 4. Okay, so when you do algebra this way, what must you do? To make sure both sides are equal, you times 4 to both sides first. So you get 28.26 times 4, and when you times 4 here, what happens? You cancel this out. Okay, so you get 3.14 r squared. So what is r squared? R squared is actually equals to 28.26 times 4 divided by 3.14. Therefore, r is equals to square root. Okay, this is what I taught you the other day. If something is square and you want to find what's the answer for the base itself, in this case it's r, you have to square root it. So in this case, I'm going to put 28.26, okay, equals to times 4. 28.26 times 4 will give you this answer, divided by 3.14 give you 36. So what is square root 36? It is 6. Therefore, r is equals to 6 cm. Bam! Okay, another way you can do this is, I'm going to just try to show it to you. I don't remember whether it's right or not, but this is some of what your friend said. Area equals to pi r squared divided by 4. So you want to find the radius, which is here. Therefore, you just take your 28.26, right? You multiply it by, what did they do? Let me think about this. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. They times 4 divided by 3.14, if I'm not mistaken. But how they did that, I have no idea. Okay, forget about this. This is how you do it. Sorry about wasting your time there. Okay, so let's move on to part C. Okay, part C, I think it's similar. Let me take a look. Part C says that the diameter of a ball is 14 cm. How many rounds does it make if it covers 484 meters, taking pi as 2.2 over 7? Diameter of a ball, okay, is 14 cm. Okay, in other words, how many rounds does it make to make this amount of 484 meters? Okay, what must you understand first? They're asking you for what? The diameter of a ball. Diameter of a ball is here. Okay. In order for a ball to roll, what is the distance? The distance is actually from here, okay, to here. In other words, the circumference. Solidify circumference. Circumference actually equals to pi d. Okay, your circumference is equals to pi d, which is equals to 22 over 7 times 14, which gives you 44. Am I right? Yes, 44 cm. So how many rounds do they have to make? Equals to 484 divided by 44. So if it makes one round, it's 44 cm. What is 484? But you must remember this is in what? Meters. So therefore, it's actually 484. What? 100. 484. 484 times 100. Therefore, 48400 divided by 44. Give you 1100 rounds. So that's it. Okay. So now for part, let's see, part D. A circle has a circumference of 11 cm. What is its area? A circle has a circumference of 11 cm. What is it? What is its area? Okay, a circle has a circumference. So a circle's circumference is 11 cm. Okay, taking pi as what? Into 7. So what circumference? As pi d or 2 pi r. So let's try pi d first. I don't know, let's try this. Okay, 22 over 7 d equals to 11. So what's the diameter? Equals to 11 divided by 22 over 7. Okay, which also equals to times 7 over 22. Cancel, cancel to 7 over 22. D equals to 7 over 2, which gives you 3.5. If your diameter is 3.5 cm, what is your? They ask you to find area, right? They ask you to find the area. So area actually equals to 2 pi r, pi r squared, which is in this case 22 over 7. What's 3.5? 7 over 2 divided by 2 gives you 7 over 4 times 7 over 4 times 7 over 4 pi r squared. 7 cancel, 7 cancel, 22 cancel, you get 11, and then you have 2. So what do you have? 11 times 7 is 77 divided by 8. So 77 divided by 8, which gives you 9.625. So area equals to 9.625 cm squared, or if you want to prefer in if you want to do it in, let's say, fractions form, 0.625 divided by 10. Oops, sorry. 625 divided by 1000, which gives you 0.625. Wow, I think it's 1 over 8. Yeah, correct. 9, and let me just count this. 72, 5 over 9. So 5 over 8. That's the answer. Cm squared. Okay, if you got it right, high five, because you are a math royalty. Good job. And the final one, let's move on to the final one. The final one is find the area of a quadrant with a diameter of 22 cm. Find the area of a quadrant with a diameter. So quadrant diameter is 22 cm. So find the area, is it? Find the area of a quadrant with a diameter of 22 cm. So let's draw this out if you don't understand how to do. So diameter is 22 cm. So that means the radius is 11. How to find the area? Pi r squared divided by 4. In this case, your pi is 22 over 7. The radius is 11. 11. The whole thing divided by 4. So what do you get? You get 22 times 11 times 11 divided by 7, which gives you, oh no. Hold on, let me do this in a very more, divided by 4 is times 1 over 4. Times 1 over 4. So you can actually cancel this off. You go by 2, you get 11. Here you get 2. So you get 11 times 11, which is 121, times another 11, which gives you 1331 divided by 7 times 2, which is 14. 95.07. So that's the answer. Is it 07? Yeah, 07. Alright, and that brings us to the end of question number 1. Whew, it's a lot of questions. If you got all of them right, I'm going to give you a big high five because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay, and that is it. Wow. Okay, so let's move on to the quote of the week. Okay, the quote of the week is this: what you focus on expands. Now, why do I bring this up? I brought this up because I know some of you who are actually brilliant students, and I'm gonna just name some names here. Of course, number one being Farah Sheila. Okay, that's not number one. I mean, the people being Farah Sheila, being some of my kids in primary 5. I can't think of anybody else right now, but you know who you are, and what you focus on expands. What I mean by that is, what you do in your exams is you try to think, okay, I don't want to fail, or you keep saying stuff like, I'm afraid we're gonna get bad marks again, or you're saying stuff like, let's get this over and done with. What happens is you begin to lose track of what you're supposed to be doing, which is to concentrate on the questions and do it properly and systematically, and you will score your marks. But what you focus on expands, okay? And hence, when you say you don't want to get bad marks, you are going to get bad marks. That is how your mind works. Another way to say it is, what you resist persists, okay? So just keep that in mind. If that is Coach Saifu signing off, say you are a math prodigy. Good job.